Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the both phones, the Poco X3 versus the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. So which phone to buy and which is the best phone and what in which category which phone is the best as well. So right now in this video, I'll try to discuss each and every category one by one. So make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know which phone is the best and why as well. So in this test, I'll try to include the categories like the processor, display and the refresh rate, battery and the charging, camera and the build quality. So these are the few things which I'll be discussing in this complete video. As I said, make sure to watch till end of the video in case if you are thinking of buying either of the phone. And let's get started friends. And in case if you want to download this live wallpapers, so make sure to check the links in description. You can find the links for the wallpapers, and not only that, there's a special playlist which are created for each and every smartphone in my channel, so make sure to check those links in description below. So let's get started friends. First thing, as I said, let's compare with the processor. So which processor which phone has, and the Poco X3 has the Snapdragon 732G processor, and the Realme Narzo 30 Pro has got the Dimensity 800U processor. So in terms of the processor thing, the Dimensity 800U processor is quite powerful than the Snapdragon 732G processor. So here is a quick another benchmark comparison between the both the processors. You can clearly see here friends, the Realme Narzo 30 Pro has scored a lot of difference than the Poco X3 smartphone, as you can see here. So there is a close to 50,000 differences there between the both the phones. So in terms of the performance, you can expect very good performance in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device, little bit more than the Poco X3, slightly more than the Poco X3 friends. So in the process segment, I am giving points to the Realme smartphone. So next area is the display and the refresh rate. So in terms of the display and the refresh rate, both phones are having the same kind of feature, which is a 120 Hz refresh rate, and both are the IPS LCD panels. So on the hardware section, both phones are kind of equal in the display segment. But there is a catch that the Poco X3, even though it has got the IPS LCD panel, but still there are so many other special features which does the Poco X3 included, which will make the enhancement of the watching videos really good. So this is a software enhancement which is present in this Poco X3 device, so which is a really good advantage in the Poco X3. So let me to quickly show you what are those things. So in the Poco X3 there is a software option where you can change the different style modes, as you can see here. So you can see significant difference in terms of the clarity as well, everything. So this kind of software customization is there, so many options which are available in the Poco X3, but in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device there's not much options it's present. So that's another kind of disadvantages in terms of the software capabilities. But a Poco X3, I will prefer definitely the Poco X3 device because of having the software enhancement features in this Poco X3. So in case if you don't know what is software enhancement and the color boost option, make sure to check my videos on the color boost which I did on this Poco X3 device. So in the display segment, Poco X3 slightly better points, even for the big screen as well. You can give points for the Poco X3 phone. So now let's talk about the battery and the charging. So in terms of the battery and the charging, the Poco X3 comes with the 6000 mAh of the battery, and whereas the Realme phone comes with the 5000 mAh of the battery. And the Poco X3 can charge using the 33 watt fast charging, and the Realme Narzo 30 Pro can charge using the 30 watt fast charging. So this 30 watt fast charging is present in the Chinese model of the Realme Q2 5G device, so which I am using right now, which is a Realme Q2 5G, so which has a 30 watt fast charging and the 5000 mAh of battery. So it's very less when compared with the Poco X3's 6000 mAh of battery and 33 watt fast charging, which can charge within 70 minutes. So overall in terms of the battery segment, I would prefer the Poco phone, but in the charging segment as well, both phones are kind of equal. Even the Realme this Narzo 30 Pro can charge within close to 1 hour of time. So I'll try to do a video on that particular topic, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. So in terms of the processor, the Realme phone, in the display and refresh rate, in the display Poco X3 because of software enhancement features, and in the battery Poco X3 slightly better battery backup, and it's the charging speed also Poco X3 and sometimes even the Realme phone as well. So in the camera, so final thing to the camera. So in the camera segment, ultimate decision is the Poco X3 is another clear winner. So I did take a couple of shots in the Poco X3 smartphone, which looks really good. The Sony sensor which is present in the Poco X3 is really amazing, friends. So which I did not expect in the first time when I'm taking the photos on the Poco X3. But overall, I'll try to do the separate video comparing the cameras. So I'll try to do the separate video comparing the cameras only. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the camera comparison between the both the smartphones. So you'll get to know more details in that video as well. So overall, in terms of the camera, I'm giving points to the Poco X3 because of having the better sensor and better clarity and the output from the Poco X3's camera. So next is the build quality. So build quality is another section, so where the Realme Narzo 30 Pro is a clear winner. So because it has got the really good less weight, because of the 5000 mAh of battery, it has got really less weight when you compare with the Poco X3's weight close to 223 grams. That's a huge weight on this phone. That's a really huge pain while gaming for long time. So which I don't personally prefer the Poco X3 for long time gaming, but definitely this is one of the thing which you can notice before buying the Poco X3 smartphone. And the Poco X3 has got the dual loudspeakers, and the Realme has only the bottom facing speaker. And the Poco X3 has got the LED notification light, and the Realme doesn't have any kind of LED notification light. So these are the other things which I did compare between the both the smartphones. And if you are having any other queries, make sure to comment below, friends, and do comment below which phone you will prefer to buy and why as well. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. And one more thing I forgot to mention is that, and the final winner, it is dependent upon the price what the Realme Narzo 30 Pro is gonna offer. So if the price is kind of close to 13,999, then definitely I would prefer the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device only. So that's it, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.